All right, guys, this is one of those occasions where I'm making the video before the market closes. I did not see this coming. I thought, hey, maybe NVIDIA saved the market, and we had the gap up in the SPY just like we did in NVIDIA, and man, some pretty good selling today. There's 5-minute candles. I mean, this thing can't catch a break. I'll show you in video real quick, too. Pretty close to the lows. We've still got 24 minutes left in the session, but I got to get my video done because I got a thing tonight. Again, you guys did a great job of finding the small pockets of strength. Kevin P's really good at that, and some decent calls on the few strong stocks that were out there. Let's go back to the daily. And remember, we like to focus on stocks that are in play. And so here's my list for what we're going to watch tomorrow for day trades. WMT, Walmart. Hang on a second here. Pretty nice pop on earnings. My best post of the day in chat was in pre-market when Walmart was down here. And I said Walmart's hitting the 200-day, which is usually a place where you'd see it bounce from. I don't have the 200-day on this chart, but it was right down here. I'll show you the pre-market right around 98. Look at that sell, and man, it's been up from there. It was up 10 bucks from there. I didn't make a penny from it. I don't know. I hesitated and didn't grab into the 200-day. A little peeved at myself, but I've never ended a trading day where I wasn't a little peeved at myself, so that's part of the job. But anyway, we're going to watch Walmart tomorrow. And let's go to the rest of the list here. ANVS. Really interesting over that 4 area. It's holding up really well, especially in a weak tape. NFE, nice volume today. It looks like it's holding up pretty well. AIIO, penny stock. If it closes down here, probably won't watch it tomorrow, but if it closes strong, it's going to be interesting with that volume. NUVB. It's just a real rip yesterday and a pretty narrow range today, topped at the half, but held up well in a weak tape, right? So we're going to watch that one. WKHS. Let me try to type it right this time. Strong day in a weak tape, big volume. Deserves a spot on the watch list. AMTM. I'm going to treat this as a bounce play. Citron came out with pretty compelling argument for this stock, and it ripped, and then it started to rip this morning, but I feel like it's coming down because everything else is coming down, so that one might, especially if there's any market strength tomorrow, that one might turn back up and give a good trade. BTQ I'm not crazy about because it's round trip. I love the volume here. I love the quiet inside day, but it's back down almost to where it started a couple days ago when it had that big rip. So again, if there's any strength, maybe BTQ can give us a bounce play tomorrow, but I'm not in love with it. ACM's just been decimated over 4 days straight. Just looking for a snapback bounce in that one, only with a proper intraday setup. I'm going to throw AMD on there, which had all kinds of good news the other day, and now it's kind of got this island up here. It's come back down pretty close to the bottom of that. Bottom of that island, and may give a nice bounce tomorrow, especially if there's any strength in that sector. And then DDOG also goes on bounce watch. I think it had earnings back here and a nice pop. I was just getting killed with everything else, but if you look to the left from where it is now, it's got a lot of consolidation here, so this one could bounce tomorrow. Not a great list, not in love with it, but we'll find some gappers in the morning to add to the list and hopefully have a good Friday. All right, we'll see you in chat in the pre-market tomorrow.